Welcome back to Cars Wars Pack, the place where we bring you the most exciting car comparisons, reviews, and everything you need to know about the latest in the automotive world. In today's showdown, we're pitting two of the toughest pickups in the 4x4 game against each other. Suzuki vs. Toyota for 2025. Get ready for the ultimate battle between the Suzuki 4x4 and Toyota's iconic 4x4 pickups. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about Suzuki's off-road heroes. The 2025 Suzuki Jimny, while small in size, packs a punch when it comes to tackling tough trails. While the Jimny is more of a compact SUV, Suzuki's also got the Suzuki Vitara 4x4, a slightly larger option that offers great off-road capability. While Suzuki doesn't have a dedicated 4x4 pickup in their lineup for 2025, their off-road prowess in the SUV category still makes them worthy of mention. The Jimny and Vitara both feature an all-wheel drive system that can take on some of the most rugged terrains. You're looking at a fun, agile, and compact option for smaller off-roading adventures. Now, let's look at Toyota's heavyweight contenders. The 2025 Toyota Hilux and Toyota Tacoma are both renowned for their ruggedness and off-road ability. Let's start with the Hilux, known worldwide for its durability and strength. The 2025 Hilux comes with an advanced 4WD system, offering superior traction and stability. Whether you're tackling rocky trails, hauling heavy loads, or crossing through deep mud, the Hilux can handle it all. Moving on to the Toyota Tacoma, the 2025 model takes everything you love about the Tacoma and kicks it up a notch. With an enhanced multi-terrain drive system and a powerful engine lineup, the Tacoma is ready for anything. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, an overlander, or someone who needs a reliable workhorse, the Tacoma delivers top-notch performance. Let's dive into performance. Suzuki's Jimny, though light and nimble, isn't a direct competitor to the heavy-duty pickups we're comparing today. Its small engine and compact design make it perfect for tight trails and city driving. But when you're looking at a truck that can haul heavy loads, the Toyota Hilux steps up. The 2025 Toyota Hilux brings serious off-road technology, like an electronically controlled 4WD system and a locking rear differential. This makes it perfect for tougher terrain, from river crossings to steep inclines. It has a towing capacity to move a trailer, caravan, or heavy equipment, something the Suzuki simply can't compete with. Now, the Toyota Tacoma is in a class of its own. The 2025 Tacoma offers a 3.5-liter V6 engine with a remarkable 6,800 pounds of towing capacity. With its crawl control, multi-terrain select, and optional off-road package, the Tacoma is ready to take on the wildest adventures while offering exceptional comfort and tech for daily use. Alright. Now let's talk pricing. Suzuki's Jimny and Vitara 4x4s are much more budget-friendly, with the Jimny starting at a significantly lower price than the Toyota pickups. If you're looking for something compact and affordable that can still do the job on light trails, Suzuki is a great choice. However, when it comes to the Toyota Hilux and Tacoma, you're paying for proven off-road excellence, better towing capacity, and more advanced features. The Hilux starts at a higher price, but it's built for those who demand a tough, no-compromise 4x4. So, which 4x4 pickup is right for you? The Suzuki Jimny and Vitara are fantastic choices for anyone looking for a compact, budget-friendly off-roader. They're fun, agile, and perfect for lighter off-road adventures. But when it comes to raw power, performance, and tackling the toughest trails, the Toyota Hilux and Tacoma are the winners. With their heavy-duty engines, advanced off-road tech, and higher payload capacities, these pickups are built to handle serious adventures and work. That's it for today's showdown. Whether you're leaning toward Suzuki's compact ruggedness or Toyota's powerhouse off-road performance, there's a perfect 4x4 pickup for your needs. Let us know in the comments which one you think is the best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive comparisons right here on Cars Wars Pack. See you in the next one.